This video brings a completely new product for sports field lighting. It is composed of 500 watts LED modules. Each module is adjustable. It is available in 4 modules. Three modules. Two modules. Single module. Due to many luminaires are installed in daytime at construction site, it is very difficult to aim the lighting spot at correct targeting areas. This innovative laser light has greatly improved the efficiency and precision during installation. Beam angles 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees are available for different lighting distances. Equipped with residual pressure and surge protection LED driver to ensure reliable operation. Whole light is IP66 protection grade and the structure is air convection against strong wind impact.